In the downloading and installing ConnectIt for a single user demo, we covered the basics of the installation process: downloading, unpacking the files, installing prerequisites before actually installing the software itself. In this video, we'd like to offer a couple of tips for installing in a multi-user networked environment. I'd like to share with you to install in the ConnectIt software is to download the Microsoft prerequisites and install them to each user's PC before attempting the ConnectIt installation. Going to the ConnectIt install pack here and opening up the ConnectIt README First guide. In here I'll find links to where on the internet the Microsoft .NET Framework version 2 and Windows Installer version 3.1 can be found. Just clicking on the link there, or alternatively opening a browser and copying and pasting the link into the address field, will open up a web page where the various versions of the framework can be found. In this instance I want the x86 version, so again clicking on the link will open up a further web page where I can download the software. Full instructions on how to run it are also included. By just downloading the software, I can save this to a suitable place on my network where all users can access it and run the software. Web pages are prone to change, so in case those links don't work, then as an alternative you can go to www.microsoft.com/downloads. Here you can search all downloads for the .NET Framework version 2 and Windows Installer version 3.1. Here we have Windows Installer 3.1 redistributable package. The next tip we'd like to share with you is to make sure that you're logged on to the destination PC with the user's profile that has full administrator privileges. While it's important to make sure that the user has full administrator privileges for any installation of the software, we've found it more commonplace to experience issues in larger client-server environments, which is why we've left this tip for this multi-user video. As a very minimum, the user will need full read-write access to the Program Files directory, the Windows directory, the Windows System directory and Windows System 32 directory. You'll also need full read-write access to the registry, and finally you'll need to make sure that there is no antivirus or firewalls interfering with the software installation. The next tip that we'd like to share with you is to do with configuring ConnectIt and ensuring that all users have exactly the same setup when using the software. As you'll be aware, ConnectIt licensing is per machine and per user. As well as the licensing implications, this also means that ConnectIt and the prerequisites need to be installed and registered for each machine and for each user of the ConnectIt software. To save configuring ConnectIt separately for each user, once you've performed the installation and registration, what you can do is set up the configuration for one user, make sure that that's correct, and then copy the ConnectIt database or ConnectIt MDB to each other user's PC. The ConnectIt MDB file can be found in the installation path. So by default, this would be on the user's C drive, in the Program Files, Hilltop's ConnectIt IT directory. Here you can see we've got the ConnectIt MDB file. I can copy this file, overwriting the existing file that exists on the other user's PC. This will give each other user exactly the same settings as this first user. The last tip that we'd like to share with you is to do with the menu options that appear once you've installed and registered the ConnectIt software. These menu options appear on the Tools menu. I've got Create Document in Sage, Create Products in Sage and Create Customers in Sage. Now, not all users of QuoteWorks will necessarily be ConnectIt users, so what I can do for those QuoteWorks users is go into Utilities, User Maintenance, click the Edit button, and then on the menu options under Tools I'll have those three ConnectIt menu options listed. If I now just untick those menu options and OK that and click Close, now next time I log into QuoteWorks, those menu options will have disappeared from the QuoteWorks Tools menu. As you can see, those menu options are now gone, saving any confusion from non-ConnectIt QuoteWorks users.
Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please contact your QuoteWorks reseller partner or visit the ConnectIt website at connectit-online.co.uk or email us at info@connectit-online.co.uk. Thank you.